Welcome to today's lecture. So in today's lecture, we will see the periodic variation in properties of compounds. So under this competition corner, we will see some of the important property of the metal halides. So one property is melting point of the alkali metal halides. So where metal means we will take the metal of group 1 element. It reacts with the halogen. Halogen means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, group 17 element. So they will give you 2mx. So this is the compound of metal halide. Here we can see melting point of the sodium chloride, sodium bromide and sodium iodide, in which sodium chloride highest and sodium iodide is lowest. It is decreasing down. Why it is decreasing down? So reactivity out of the alkali metal is like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Cesium most reactive, lithium is less reactive. I have taken example of sodium with a different halide. So in different halides, fluorine more reactive, Cl2 is less, then followed by Br2, then iodine. So along the group, electropositive character increases, and along the this one group 17, electronegativity decreases. So in this case, percentage of ionic character will be more, and in this case, percentage of ionic character will be less, because more strong one here, less strong one. These can be easily dissociated. So melting point is basically depends on the percentage of ionic character. So ionic characters here it is more because size of the iodine is greater than the size of the fluorine. So if you keep the same metal, then the melting point of the metal is down the group, it will be decreased down. So this is the one of the properties. Now we'll see melting point of the alkali metal fluoride. So in this case you can see lithium fluoride. So here one halogen is constant, and again alkali metals are decreasing down, increasing down as per the group. So lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium. This is the reverse of the previous one. You can see here, except lithium is exceptional case. So here lithium 846, and rather you can see again the melting point increase, then it is decreasing down. So this is the only exceptional, because lithium is size of the lithium is very small, and it has the lowest ionic character. So this lithium exception. So we consider only 4 elements. Why this is decreasing? This trend is decreasing, melting point is decreasing down. So this is a less melting point, so more melting point. This is more ionic character, this is less ionic character. The reason is very simple as the previous cases. Increase in ionic radii of the alkali metal cations from sodium to cesium, resulting in larger cations leads to decrease in charge density. So size of the cesium is more than the size of the sodium. So charge density of cesium will be decrease, here charge density increase. So which results in decrease in lattice energy. So here charge density is decreases, so its lattice energy also decreases. So first we will see what is the meaning of lattice energy, or how charge density affecting the lattice energy. Lattice energy, actually it is the energy released. It is the energy released when 1 gram mole electrovalent compound like sodium chloride, the electrovalent compound is formed from the isolated gaseous ions, like or vice versa. It means when you take 1 gram mole of electrovalent compound NaCl, and it is formed from isolated gaseous ions. So these are the isolated gaseous ions. This is the metals. When metal give 1 electron to the this halogen, so this becomes isolated metal cations, this becomes isolated anions. When these two anions will combine together, where these two anions or cations will combine together, they will form ionic solid. And on combining, if you take the 1 mole of this compound, so you will get 1 mole of ionic solid, and whatever amount of energy released, that is called lattice energy. If you give this energy to again ionic solid, so this will convert into cations plus anion. So lattice energy is the energy released, or energy required, minimum energy required to break the ionic compound, or minimum energy released to form the ionic compound. So this is the definition of the lattice energy. So in this case, cesium fluoride has a lowest melting point because its charge density is less, and also lattice energy less. So it has a lowest melting point. Again, if you take higher lattice energy, means ions will be more stable. Means if the energy will be highest, the solid will be more stable, and formation of the ionic bond is favored. So this bond will be more and more ionic. So this is the basic criteria for this melting point of the alkali metal fluoride. Solubility of the alkali metal carbonates and bicarbonates in water. So here we can see the trend: lithium carbonate, sodium carbonate, potassium carbonate, rubidium carbonate, cesium carbonate. So this carbonate is increasing on dissolving in the water. Similarly, so why it is increasing, you can see solubility increases from sodium carbonate to cesium carbonate because their lattice energy decreases more rapidly than the hydration energy. So there is one more term coming, hydration energy. What is hydration energy? Energy required to surround the atoms. Energy required to surround the atoms. Atom means here we will take cations. So cation means cesium. So cesium is a big cation. So to surround the cesium cations from the carbonate, we require large amount of water. When this water will surround the cesium, on surrounding it will release some energy. And surrounding the lithium, it will energy. Surrounding the sodium, it will also release some energy. So solubility increases from sodium carbonate because their lattice energy decreases and more readily than the hydration energy. So here lattice energy is less. So on surrounding, what happens? Water releases more hydration energy. So hydration is more and lattice energy is less. So due to which what happens? Cesium carbonate is easily dissolved in water, while in these cases as compared to this one, here hydration energy less and lattice energy of sodium carbonate is more. That's why this is less soluble in water. Similarly, in the case of lithium carbonate, sodium carbonate, potassium bicarbonate, rubidium bicarbonate, cesium bicarbonate. So these are the different type of bicarbonate compound. So again same thing happens. So again on increasing down the group, whatever solubility of the bicarbonate also increases. So these are the actually solid forms. Okay, only this lithium bicarbonate is always found in the solution state. Okay, so if you take the solid, this is always found in the as a nature solid state, but this is liquid state. So keep this, sometimes they ask this question sometimes. So solubility of the bicarbonate also increases on down the group. So this is the answer. Answer will be same only. Hydration energy is more than the lattice energy of this compound. Solubility of hydroxide of alkali metals and alkaline earth metal in water. So here we can see in group 1 lithium, we will study only alkali metal, alkaline earth metal. So one is lithium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, rubidium hydroxide and cesium hydroxide. So it is also increasing down the group. Region is same. Cesium is more hydration energy than the sodium. Similarly, in case of group 2 element, beryllium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, strontium hydroxide, and after strontium calcium hydroxide. So calcium hydroxide exceptions. It should come here, but it is not following the trends. It has more solubility than strontium hydroxide and followed by this one barium hydroxide. So barium hydroxide is almost, it is a strong basic hydroxide, then calcium hydroxide. So this is exception. Again you have to learn, keep in mind this thing. So these two are amphoteric oxide, almost insoluble, weak base. This is the moderately strong base and this is very strong base. So answer is very simple. Here hydration energy is more of barium hydroxide and here hydration energy again less for beryllium hydroxide. Lattice energy more, hydration energy less. Here hydration energy more, lattice energy is less. That's why these hydroxides are more soluble in water. Next we will see solubility of alkaline earth metal sulfates in water. So this is a trends. So beryllium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium sulfate, strontium sulfate and barium sulfate. So if you go trends like this one, it will be decreases. The solubility is decreases down the group. This means beryllium sulfate, magnesium sulfate is soluble, calcium sulfate is slightly soluble, and strontium sulfate and barium sulfates are almost insoluble or sparingly soluble. Now question is why they are sparingly soluble, why they are more soluble. So again you see berylliums and bariums, what size increases. So if size increases, then hydration energy decreases. In these cases is there hydration energy decreases for sulfate ion. In case of sulfate, beryllium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, it has more hydration energy than lattice energy. Just reverse of, if you remember, carbonates. In carbonate hydration energy was increasing, but in sulfate hydration energy is decreasing. Why? Because the size of the sulfate is more than the size of the carbonate. It happened due to this. So they are readily soluble. On the other hand, large barium ion is poorly hydrated, so lattice energy predominates over the hydration energy. This is the basically difference between the carbonates and the sulfates. In sulfates, they are down the group solubility decreases, but in carbonate down the group solubility increases. The reason is very simple. Size of the sulfate is more than the size of the carbonate. That's why solubility hydration energy in the sulfate type is decreases. Now it's a very important role of barium sulfate. So why barium is due to the insolubility of barium sulfate, it is used for detecting obstruction in the digestive systems by the technique known as barium meal. So this is the one important significance of insolubility of barium sulfate in our body. So this barium sulfate in the stomach, it helps in getting the X-ray pictures because of the greater scattering power of it. So what doctors give? The doctors give barium meal to the persons. When this patient, that person consumes this barium meals, it goes inside the body, and with the help of X-ray we can, since this is insoluble in the body, so with the help of X-ray we can find where the some obstruction or some problems is present in our body. But because this can scatter the X-rays, so this is helpful in telling the any problem in our body. So this is one of the utility of barium sulfate in our body. Nature of hydrides. So alkali metals, if you see the nature of hydride, it decreases down the group, like lithium hydride, sodium hydride, potassium hydride, rubidium hydride, Cg hydride. Why it decreases down the group? Again we can see because lattice energy decreases down the group due to increased size of ion. So again size of the ions is very large. So what happens? Lattice energy decreases down, and if it decreases down, then whatever its solubility also decreases. Due to this, then stability order also decreases. So when this lattice energy decreases, so this what happens? Stability order of this hydride also decreases. Similarly, we can see. Beryllium hydride, magnesium hydride, calcium hydride, strontium hydride, barium hydride, and radium hydride. So these hydrides are under group 2 element, alkaline earth metal. These are covalent and polymeric, but these are ionic hydride. So again, stability of hydride decreases down the group. So in group 1 also, it also decreases down the group. So now we'll see the sum total of all this periodicity down the group. If you remember, ionization energy, it decreases down the group. Electron gain enthalpy, it also decreases down the group. Electronegativity, it also decreases down the group. Atomic radii also increases down the group. Size of the atoms is increasing per cell. Any radii increases, atomic volume increases, melting point, boiling points, it depends, but generally it decreases. Density, it also increases, but here some exceptions are also present in density. So we will take as a general increases. Reducing nature of the metal increases down the group because of the most electropositive character. Oxidizing nature, it decreases because of their electronegativity power. Metallic character generally increases, like sodium to cesium, electropositive character. If metallic character increases, electropositive character increases, both are corresponding to each other. Basic character oxides, it also increases down the group, and basic character hydride, it also decreases down the group. So we studied till now like all these things. So keep on revising all this lesson, and then you will understand so in this competition corner, under competition corner, these type of different topics very well.